Hi guys, welcome to this video in Scrap Mechanic. So in this video I gonna do a very weird aircraft so let's begin. This weird aircraft will be able to fly forever, and it will have some kind of a lot of rockets around the sides of it, and the seat in the middle so I can sit in it. And I just want to see if it works, this idea. Nobody have done it before, so yeah, let's build a platform before we can attach some rockets and attach some buttons to the rockets and attach it to our control seat. So what we're gonna do is that we want to build some kind of cubic like platform and attach rockets at bottom and at the sides. And first I just want to try to attach one button so I can start and stop the flying, the thrust to the rockets, and then I will just attach more buttons to control different rockets in order to have this rolling effect for the vehicle. So I'm just building and building. So if you can keep up, or you can just pause the video. So yeah, so I will just build on, and when I'm finished, I can explain what I have done. So now I will just building the top section, and I want it to be triangular. No, we want it to be rectangular. So as you can see there, it's some kind of rectangular ship aircraft, and now I will just get some rockets and a button, and then I will just put it on the sides, on bottom, and the top and sides. So let's see how it's worked when I'm done. After I have attached all the rockets, I will attach button and attach the button to the wheel, to the control seat. So now I'm attaching the last rockets on top of this flying vehicle or flying machine thing. I don't know what to call it. So yeah. So now I will attach a button to the platform, and then attach all the rockets to the button. So it's pretty simple, just dragging the blue lines to the button, and then they are attached to the button. And at the end I will attach the button to the seat. So for now, just attaching all the rockets. So as you can see there, I have attached all the rockets to the button, the bottom part. So just try to see how it works if all the rockets are turned on at the same time. Remember to have place where you can climb in the vehicle, so you have to have some kind of gap you can go through, and so you can sit into the vehicle. As we can see here, all the rockets are turned on, but nothing happens because if we think about the forces, there are some rockets at the top that push this vehicle to the ground, and the ground ones pushing the vehicle upwards. So basically, it just equals out. It's basic physics. So and the sides do the same thing. The both sides are on at the same time, and they will equal out. So this scrap mechanic is also very much about physics. You have to know the basic stuff in order to make the things work. So with the rockets, it's more about the physics. Action equal action and reactions and stuff like that. So as you could see, it doesn't really fly, and the purpose of this project was to make this thing fly and roll. So now I will attach another button, if I can come up somehow, and then I will attach the top section to our new button and see if it's work. It's pretty time consuming projects. So as a simple thing as this project takes a lot of time to connect all these rockets and stuff like that. So it's time consuming. So one of the disadvantage of this game is you have to be patient and and connect everything together and see if things work. So as you can see, it flies, and I'm just using the buttons to turn on and turn off the different rockets in order to keep moving. So wow, it can fly. So yeah, guys, try to build um, your projects, maybe a similar one, and show me if it can fly, and what I can do in order to make it fly better. As you can see here, it flies pretty well and stable sometimes, but only if the angle is right. So yeah, when I turn all the rockets at once, it doesn't really fly and do this rolling thing. Maybe I should attach some wheels and make it roll instead of fly. So thank you for watching, guys, and take care of yourself. Bye.